Hey guys, welcome to Chris's Clock Shop. So just a quick little tip here. Before you put a clock back together, you should always check the click springs on your barrels. Okay, make sure that they're properly engaging the click. Inside here, you can see, here's my click, here's a spring that holds it tight against this click. But as I turn, it's not engaging. So that spring is defective. You can see that it's got looks like a possible crack or a bend. So I need to repair that or replace that and take this barrel apart, make sure my click is properly engaging. Otherwise, I'm going to get this clock all the way back together and find out that I can't wind my weight. And then I'm going to have to tear it all down again and do it all over. So save yourself some time. Always make sure that those clicks are properly engaged. And if necessary, sometimes you have to reshape the base of the click so that it properly sits in the seat of the sprocket. All right, quick little tip and a reminder. Okay, so I removed the E-clip that was holding this part of the barrel on, and here's what I'm left with. You can see that spring right here is cracked. So I'm going to remove this spring. I'm just going to stick a razor sharp screwdriver under there, pop this off, okay? And then I'm going to stick a new one on there and just press it in there. Okay, so I popped that spring off. As you can see here, it broke at the point of that crack as soon as I pulled it off. All right, so I'm just going to take one of these off this spare movement I got for parts from this Westminster chime movement here. One of these springs should fit just fine right in there. All right, so I'm going to take one of these off, put it in there. So I took my spring off my Westminster spare movement. And looks like it's going to fit like a charm. Well, it's a little long, so I'm going to cut the end off just a hair. All right, now I got to press it in there. All right, so I just pressed that on there. My new spring, firmly holding my click against my sprocket. And when I turn this, you hear a nice click. Put my barrel back on. E-clip. She's good to go. Thanks for watching.